Welcome back to Ride the Six Motorcycle Channel, ladies and germs. Check it out. Ginger 3.0 is complete. Well, without the fairings obviously, but she's complete. the R6 front end's on there. Check out that carbon fiber front fender. Beautiful, beautiful, out of Quebec. And yeah guys, she's got a little bit of bugs and stuff on the forks. I've been doing a little bit of riding here today. But yeah, Ginger 3.0 is alive. Stay tuned. We're going to do a little bit of ripping around and some fork adjustments and stuff. And you know, this is the end of the long weekend in August, so get out there guys. Today is my birthday and I'm actually treating myself to the very first ride on the R6 converted FZ6R. It's running okay. I've got a couple little problems with the shifter, but I have a bent shifter, so I'll probably fix that later on. But what we're going to do, we're actually going to try to dial in the forks here today. So I've loosened off, I've taken all the compression out of the forks, I've taken all the rebound out of the forks, and sorry guys, there's a car coming there. Car! So yeah guys, so I've softened up the forks all the way. I've taken all the compression out, all the rebound out. It's all out. So what we're going to do, we're doing the tie wrap trick on the forks. Hopefully you can see that. I can try to get you a little better shot there. So we're just going to let the tie wraps do the work. We're coming up to like a kind of a twisty section on the road. So we're going to let the tie wraps do the work. We're going to try to get a feel for the suspension. What's going on, Les? Say hi to the camera. Hey, so yeah, Les is my companion today. He's got his sweet G8 here. And yeah, he's just following me to make sure there's nothing wrong with the bike or if something happens. And we're going to go do a quick run into Port Perry. All right, let's do her, bud. You guys may have seen this road on Canada Day. It's the same road, but it's where I want to go to test these forks. The bike's running real good. It's running real strong. It's just the suspension. I'm not worried about anything else on the bike. It's solid, but it's the suspension we're testing. Come on, buddy, go. Go around him. Go around him. Man, some of these drivers are brutal. How's it going, buddy? He's kind of in my way anyways. I want to hit this blind corner. That's alright. We got some more coming. Alright, so we just ripped up the road there, guys. That's all the suspension travel I got out of the front forks. I just grabbed the measuring tape. It's about 45 millimeters. It should be much more, I think. Same on this side. I measured the same thing. It's about 45 millimeters again. So now I wasn't doing any heavy front braking. I was on the throttle a bit more. But this fork, I think, should have some more travel in it. It does feel pretty firm. Definitely not soft like the FZ6R forks. But yeah, I'm going to look into that, guys, and I'm going to let you know. Going to do a little bit of research with our little tie wrap trick here. Nice rig, boys and girls. Nice rig.